communications. This was the high-level overview of the core network. Now there are some conventions that we are going to talk about, which are traffic and signaling. Traffic is represented by solid lines and signaling is represented by dashed lines. The actual voice and data being transmitted is called traffic. Control messages that set up and manage communication sessions are called signaling. Now let's summarize what we have done so far in core network. The CS domain handles voice calls using MGWs and MSC servers. The PS domain handles data traffic using SGSNs and GGSNs. The HSS stores subscriber data for both domains. The network connects externally to PSTN for calls and PDNS for internet. Traffic and signaling are both crucial for seamless communication. This is the end of our high-level overview of core network architecture. Now we will start with communication protocols in our next videos.